using the yellow line at all times.
Track work from Friday 26th to Sunday 28th December. Buses replace trains between Parramatta and Olympic Park. Trains run between Olympic Park and the city. Trains run between Glenfield and the city via the airport. Transport MSW.info or use transport apps.
Heading to the harbour to be using fireworks for the latest and road closures. Plan your trip at sydneynewyearseve.com.
Travel smart by keeping your belongings in the correct all time and being aware of your surroundings.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to City Circle via Town. The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Homebush via Strathfield. First stop Stanmore, then all stations to Suburban, then Strathfield and Homebush.
Due to track work from Friday 26th to Sunday 28th December.
Town, then Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circle Quay, St James and Museum. The train on platform 2 goes to Homebush via Strathfield. First stop Stanmore, then all stations to Burwood, then Strathfield and Homebush. Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum.
www.info.
For your safety, please remain behind the yellow line at all times. The next train to arrive on platform 1 does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please. For your safety and security, CCTV cameras are in use 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For your safety, please remain behind the yellow line at all times.
Due to track work from Friday 26 to Sunday 28 December, replace trains between Parramatta and Olympic Park. Trains running to Olympic Park and the city. Trains running to Glenville and the city are again. Due to track work from Friday 26 to Sunday 28 December, trains run